Starting a business can be a perplexing endeavor, but fear not, for I shall provide a burst of guidance in irregular sentences that favor creativity over the mundane. To embark on your entrepreneurial journey, consider the following steps. Idea generation. Begin by conjuring up innovative concepts, brainstorming ideas that ignite your passion, and exploring niche markets where your interests align. Market research. Delve into market research, examining trends and competition, and gauging the demand for your product or service. This will be instrumental in shaping your business strategy. Business plan crafting. Craft a comprehensive business plan, detailing your vision, mission, and strategies for success. Don't forget financial projections and funding requirements. Legal structure selection. Choose a legal structure that suits your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. This decision impacts your liability and tax obligations. Registration and permits. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Financing your venture. Seek funding options such as loans, investors, or crowdfunding to secure the necessary capital for your venture. Branding and marketing. Create a unique brand identity and marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Utilize the power of social media and digital marketing. Location and logistics. Secure a suitable location if your business requires physical space, and establish efficient logistics for your operations. Team building. As your business grows, assemble a dedicated team with complementary skills to help achieve your goals. Financial management. Keep a watchful eye on your finances, managing cash flow, expenses, and revenue diligently. Customer engagement. Prioritize customer satisfaction and engagement, as loyal customers are the lifeblood of any successful business. Adapt and innovate. Stay agile and open to change, adapting to evolving market conditions and continuously innovating to stay competitive. Legal compliance. Ensure ongoing compliance with tax regulations, employment laws, and any industry-specific regulations. Remember, starting a business is a journey filled with twists and turns, but with determination, creativity, and a wonky spirit, you can navigate the entrepreneurial landscape and build a thriving enterprise.